Let me present Amberg, a curated collection of outdoor knives refined for every purpose. Each Amberg knife is made with a clear purpose, from food prep and camp cooking to carving, hiking or hunting. Carefully balanced, easy to handle and available in a palette of nature-inspired colors, Amberg is made to suit both task and taste. The Amberg series includes 5 models, each refined for a specific task or outdoor setting. Amberg Stainless is a well-balanced and durable all-rounder, ideal for hiking, fishing, camping and everyday use. It features a 109 mm long, 3.2 mm thick blade. The Swedish stainless steel blade 12C27 is cryogenically treated, reaches 58 HRC and features a Scandi grind offering a strong, long-lasting edge that's easy to maintain. The spine is ground for use with a ferro rod, making it a practical choice for all kinds of outdoor adventures. Amberg Black Blade Carbon is built for those who prefer carbon steel. It features a 109 mm long, 3.2 mm thick carbon steel blade, C100S. It has a Scandi grind and is coated with a black DLC for rust protection and reduced reflection. The HRC is 57.5 and the blade is ferro rod compatible. Amberg Compact Stainless is designed for precise control tasks in the outdoors. It features a 77 mm long and 2 mm thick cryogenically treated Swedish stainless steel blade. 12C27 with a 56.5 HRC. It has a Scandi grind and is profile ground, making it perfect for detailed work such as preparing fire material or light carving. The spine is ferro rod compatible. Amberg Full Flat Stainless introduces a full flat grind to our outdoor range. Ideal for clean cuts, food prep and light carving. It features a 108 mm long, 3.2 mm thick cryogenically treated Swedish stainless steel, 14C28N with an HRC of 58. It's polished for low friction and easy cleaning. The smooth spine is not ferro rod compatible, but optimized for slicing and camp cooking. Amberg Full Flat Hunting Stainless is a versatile hunting knife designed for skinning, field dressing and processing game in the field. It features a 108 mm long, 3.2 mm thick, cryogenically treated Swedish stainless steel blade. 14C28N, 58 HRC, with a polished, full flat grind that provides low resistance and clean control cuts when working on game. The grind is inspired by kitchen and food preparation knives, but adapted for hunting use, with a polished surface that makes the knife easy to clean and resistant to moisture and blood. The handle's flatter shape and narrow front enables a natural pinch grip for precise control, and the ridge along the spine provides secure support even when wet or cold. The knife is not ferro rod compatible due to this polished spine. All Amberg models share the same ergonomic handle, carefully designed for multiple grip styles and maximum control. Each handle is molded in 3 layers, a solid PP core and an outer PP layer that locks securely into the sheath, and a soft TPE surface for grip and comfort. The handle features a flat geometry that provides good orientation in the hand, with ribbed control zones along the spine and a narrow front for precision work. This allows a natural pinch grip, giving a better orientation and control when working close to the blade. The friction pattern has been tested for a secure hold in wet, cold and greasy conditions. A large lanyard hold adds safety and versatility. Each knife comes with a symmetrical plastic sheath and a durable plastic belt loop for everyday carry. The sheath uses the same click-on function compatible between series and can be complemented with the attachment kit, which includes a secondary locking and a clip for more flexible carry solutions. It's secure for both right and left hand carry. Tested for thousands of insertions and removals. All materials have been evaluated for strength, wear and grip under real outdoor conditions. All Amber knives comes with a durable plastic belt loop for simple and secure carry. For those who want to customize their setup, the attachment kit, which is sold separately, includes a click-on mount, a secondary locking and a clip, compatible with the same modular system used on bushcraft. To attach the belt loop, slide it onto the click-on mount according to the instructions in the package. I show you. And then mount the secondary locking, which can be used left or right. And then attach it to the knife. Also in the attachment kit, we have the belt clip, the same belt clip as we use in bushcraft models.